I just wanna give you some spoiler about this camera, just one spoiler. With this guy, you can shoot or film unbelievable images. Before talking in more detail about this camera, let's take a look at the box. The box is as small as the product. The outside of the box, some important features are mentioned. In the box, it includes the camera, some information papers and stickers. And we also have a nice and smooth case to keep your camera safe. A rope is included the box for a bullet shot, is very nice. And finally, we have a battery for the camera. Also, if you buy the creator kit, the camera comes with the small tripod, 120 cm invisible selfie stick and 32GB microSD card. Now, I'm gonna explain to you what you can do with this small Insta360 One X. I would like to mention a few things to do with this camera. First one, of course, do 360 video options. Means you can record something for VR. If you want, you can watch this video with the headset, or if you want, you can upload it to YouTube for VR version.
Yes, today we are in the Niagara Falls. We came here for the testing Insta360 One X.
Another thing is, you can record a daily vlog with this camera. Well, how? With Insta360 One X, you can just hold the camera and press the record button. It will record everywhere for you, and then you just need to edit your images.
Such a beautiful day. I don't know how I was recording the sound, but right now I'm just using the without stick, and yeah, we are in Gray Street. It's awesome. It's really wonderful.
When I was testing the One X, I really enjoyed with vlogging because it was really practical and so easy that you don't need to worry about the correct angles because it's recorded everywhere.
Welcome to London Square.
By the way, the Insta360 is an action camera. It's an action camera that you can record every single action around of you. That makes a perfect result in action videos. Let me know what you think about these images in the comments. I'm really caring your ideas. And of course, that's not all. You can create new angles, different views, and content with this camera. It's all up to your creativity. I'm almost forgetting to tell. If you haven't subscribed our channel, please don't forget to subscribe our channel now and don't forget to turn on bell, like something like that in the below in here. You can easy to find. Well, why you need this camera? What's the difference? One X has a dual 18 megapixel f2.0 200 degrees camera. You can take 18 megapixel footage and 5.7K 30 frames per second, 4K 50 frames per second, and 3K 100 frames per second video with this camera. As for stabilization, this video supports with flow state stabilization. It's really awesome. You don't see any vibration in your videos. This is the best feature of the camera. The stabilization system keeps your camera like a Rolls Royce. Another good side about this camera, you can record your videos in slow motion, time-lapse or HDR, which is really cool. I'm really impressed to take time-lapse because with the stabilization it looks fantastic. With Insta360 One X, you can record 16-minute non-stop videos. Also with the removable battery, you can replace it quickly with a new battery and continue to record through. That was really enough for me because when I was in the Niagara and CNE, I used this camera whole day and it did really good job. A few things to make me sad: they don't have any waterproof resistance. Also, you have to be careful about the lenses. It can be easy to get scratch or damage, so you have to carry with the camera with a case. Insta360 One X is so small, you can carry it in your back pocket. Insta360 One X is just 115 gram and almost the same size as your smartphone. It's made of soft plastic, is not bad at all. In front of the camera it has a small screen to see the mode or settings. It's really easy to control the camera in the screen. At the bottom of the screen we have two different buttons. One of them is a power button, another button is from recording. And also, Insta360 One X has application. You can easily install in App Store or Google Market. You can easily transfer your images from a camera to your phone, and you can quickly edit that for sharing social media. When we look at the app, there are some options to change views, angles, and format. You can track some object automatically or manually with this app. Also, when you connect your camera to your phone, you have perfect preview streaming. You can easily change modes and settings right on your phone and start the record. I like to do the app because you don't need to use your computer for any editing. So, you are lucky today because I would like to give you tips and tricks to use this camera more efficiently. First one. The first thing you should do when you get the camera, please turn on the auto Wi-Fi settings. With these settings, you will be conserving battery life. You should also turn on the fast capture mode. With this mode, you can quickly start to record. When you hold the record button, it will automatically start the video recording. And it will be helpful when you use the camera. Another thing is an accessory, which is an invisible selfie stick. It's not invisible actually. It just stays in the blood spot and you can't see the stick itself. In this way, you can see the flying camera. Of course, I will mention a bullet shot. With this feature, you can record a wonderful slow motion moment. For these, you can use a selfie stick or the rope. And also there's a tons of different accessories in their website. And you can get other accessories for creating new content. You can easily enjoy with this small, perfect 360 camera. You can do everything, like I already explained you. If you're looking to buy a 360 camera, now Insta360 One X is definitely the best choice in the market. I hope you liked the video. Please don't forget to smash the like button, and also you can follow me and our channel on Instagram. If you have any question about this camera, you can free to ask me, and take care.